Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex a day trade setups for today. So we do have nothing going on, to be honest. We have sort of rejected this level, and we're trying hard, should I rather say, and that is right here at 105.443. And yesterday was no different. We did try reject it, but we also found support down here, which is what we were expecting as well. So it could be a bit of a flag breakout, although this tail here just changes the story slightly. You can see the oscillators sort of crossing over, separated. So that's an indication that we should be looking for something with the trend. Remember, we've got overhead trend line here, which is on the weekly. So that is going to take quite a bit to get through. So yeah, the longer term traders are going to be looking at this, looking for another leg down. Shorter term traders are anticipating a turnaround in the trend. So for me at the moment, when we look at the hour, we are ranging. When we range, it's not something that we want to get involved in, but just look at this move up here. That is a fairly decent move. Bit of a consolidation here, crossover of the moving averages. So I should be looking to the left to see what kind of structure are we looking to get above, and I would argue that that is the area there that would verify this triangle. So actually just put it above the high of today. So a break above the high of today, or sort of on the 15-minute chart, gives you an opportunity to get in with a stop down here below the current low. And if you look at it on the 15-minute, you will see that you have got a little bit of structure forming here, in the sense that the moving averages are in a bullish view, the oscillators all over the place, but that's because of the low volumes at the moment. So watch this on the European market. A break above the high of today so far and a retest. You're looking for an entry there, stop just below the price action, and I would aim for 105.443 again. If that breaks, then you're looking for a potential revisit. I won't say revisit, let's not say revisit, but you'd be looking for a bit of a move higher up, and the next bit of structure is right up here at 105.844. Get above this high here from the 5th of December, then that should break this trend line proper, and then you should see a pretty aggressive move to the upside. So that's kind of the view that we've got. Look at the hour, big move up, flag, retracement. You can use your Fibonacci's here as well. You probably find this Fibonacci is coming back to a Fibonacci level, and then you're looking for a move up, and your measured move here is probably also important. So there's your move up. We break above the high of today, find support. First target is 105.443, and as I said, your second target is right there, and that is at 105.844. So pay attention to that one. Fairly decent setup brewing there. Looking at US dollar Japanese yen, on the 8 hour we have reached this zone that we've been looking for all week, and it does look like that's a rejection. So you can see green bar, engulfing bar there. So sometimes you're looking for a second attempt at that. Oscillators have sort of crossed over at the upside. So get down to the 1 hour, and you'll see we're in amongst the moving averages here. So I would be arguing that we're probably going to break this to the downside. So what you want to look for is structure, and the only bit of structure I can see right now is right there, and we are above it at the moment. So I'd want to see price come down, reject something, probably 136, bounce back up, reject that area. That would be my entry for the short, and it's going to set up a head and shoulders. You see there's shoulder, head, and we're busy with the right shoulder here. If we start breaking below the lows of yesterday, then that sort of kind of validates it, and then we're looking for a continuation down. And I would argue that we are probably looking at something. Just want to pick up the level here. I suppose it would be wise just to do the measured move. So there's the move down. There's the bounce off structure that we were expecting. Oh, not that one. That one. So then your target for this is going to be somewhere down here at 131,632. Moving on to the pound, and that's British pound, Japanese yen. We're still sideways. We're still floating with this 167,208. Oscillators group to the upside. In amongst the moving averages, there is nothing going on the 8 hour. And yesterday was big up, big down day on the 1 hour, but we are holding the moving averages. So, this is still my line in the sand. Get above 167,200, find some support there, then I'd be looking for longs. But until then, I am sitting quietly. I don't want to get involved in that just yet. Euro, British pound, pretty much a similar setup. If you look at the 8 hour, could be a rejection bar here. See, that's a pin bar off a level. But my concern is the whole week we've been hovering at this level. So if you get down to the 1 hour, you can see above the moving averages, then below the moving averages, and now we're in the moving averages. This, to me, there's no clear sign here. So I think this is also a sit on hands. So the British pound is something that I'll just sit back and wait for. I don't think I'm going to worry too much about this just yet. Dollar does offer some opportunities, but this will offer opportunities shortly. That's for sure. It will set up something for us. Anyway, hope that helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.